Hello everyone, this is Perfect Days here and welcome to my channel. And today I wanted to show you what I got recently. Okay, so it's been a long time since I made a video, and in the last video I made, I talked about how I was debating whether or not I was going to purchase a luxury item from Louis Vuitton. And I'm going to reveal the item right here. I was deciding between two items. It was between this over here and this over here. If you want to make a quick guess as to what I purchased, you have a couple of seconds to do that. So the item that I purchased is right over here. It came in this box, of course, and it just has the slide door and has a little dust bag. I think you can tell from the size of it which one I did end up buying. So I did get the Louis Vuitton Recto Verso in the Damier Ebene print with the rose ballerine color. So it looks like this. And the other one that I was debating was the new sort of like pink empreinte leather key pouch, and that one is more like the original key pouch. And I actually did order that one, but they were taking so long to ship it that I just changed my mind and I canceled the order because I was happy with this one here. And the reason why I like this one better is because one of the things I like about Louis Vuitton is the canvas, and I feel like the canvas is really hard wearing, and I just thought that because I want a little touch of pink, like my Neverfull is the same colorway as this, that this would be a good match. I thought if I had a whole clay that was pink, I would worry about color transfer, and plus it also has these like two little tabs for the pull, and then for me I feel like that would curl up because I'm throwing it in and out of my bag, whereas I feel like this would go nice and smooth. And so I just want to show you what it looks like. So on the outside it has this front pocket. I haven't used it yet, so I don't have my stuff in it, but it does have the beautiful rose ballerine color, and there's that. And then I really like how thick it is. And then you open it up inside, there's a zipper that goes not just on the top but a little bit from the side. It has a bit of a pocket, and what I really like about it is that it does have this key ring. And it's really important for me to have the key ring is because I've been using the traditional clay for a long time, and I like to have my keys with my wallet because I feel like I'm taking one item versus keeping track of two. And so if I got, like, let's say a card holder or some sort of wallet without the key ring, I would feel like now I'm responsible for two things when I'm used to just grabbing one thing. And so inside, this is also a rose ballerine color, and this one particular one is made in France. And so I'm foreseeing that I'm putting most of my cards in here. I feel like I might put like a photo or something in here where I wouldn't use it that often. And on the back you can put more cards in there. There's 1, 2, 3 card slots, plus this is also a card slot. And so I can put my most used ones here. And then I know that this is also a slot here, but I feel like I probably wouldn't use that because I don't want to stretch that out, but who knows. And so this is my new item. I'm excited to use it. I feel like I could just carry this on its own. And you know, for the summertime, I really like how there is pink on it. Pink and Damier Ebene makes me very happy. So there's that. And then I just want to talk a little bit about how I feel about luxury in general. If you follow my channel for a really long time, I started the channel because I did enjoy luxury handbags and I was very much obsessed. And I have bought and sold a lot of bags over the course of many years, and I have a lot of happiness from that, but a lot of regrets. So I sold a lot to Fashionphile, and so Fashionphile sends like a summary of all the interactions that I've ever had with them, and I did sell a lot with them, but I know that I sold a lot to them at a loss, right? And so whatever the amount they said that I earned through Fashionphile, I pretty much multiply that times 2, and the number is appalling. So if I could go back in time, I wouldn't recommend that much spending. To be honest, I'm not interested or excited about anything else recently that they have released. I do think that the summer collection for Louis Vuitton is pretty cute, but it has to work with my lifestyle, and I'm much more realistic about my lifestyle nowadays, and so I am not interested in purchasing anything that is too much of a fantasy item. I will be going on a trip next month, and if anything, that would be a place in which I would be tempted to buy something. But if I don't buy anything on that trip, it would really mean that I am just done. And I mean that in the best way possible. Like, I'm very satisfied with the things that I have in my current collection. I have come to more of a realistic outlook on the things that I do use and what my lifestyle is. I have things that work for me day to day for all the hobbies that I do. And I have maybe just a couple of fantasy items, but even those items do work on special occasions. So everything in my collection gets used and works on some level. I no longer have things that I wish I could use a little bit more. I have things that I just use, and I think that they're lovely items. And so if you can maintain a balance between luxury items and things that you will use, then it's a great relationship. But if you are unsure and you do a lot of buying and selling like I did over the past several years, I don't recommend it. For this part of the video, I'm going to do a voiceover so I can vlog a part of my days. Here are some beautiful cherry blossoms, and I think you can tell that one of my favorite colors is pink. You can say that the main reason why I purchased the Recto Verso is because I wanted to carry a little bit of pink everywhere I go. I haven't been to IKEA in a while, but when I do, I really enjoy it. They do try to jam a lot of shopping ideas in you, but they are great for simple, minimalistic products like frames, towels, and home organization. Expanding more on where I stand with the current luxury market now is that I find that the prices are increasingly unreasonable and out of reach. And because of that, I have to be more selective in what I'm willing to purchase. The appeal of luxury has always been quality, timelessness, and elegance for me. I know with the rising prices, maybe some people will desire more special, unique pieces. However, I gravitate towards classics and what is tried and true for me and my lifestyle, with an awareness that excessiveness is both overwhelming and hard to maintain. The specialness for me is that also it doesn't happen very often. I also think that the quality and the stress around shopping has definitely taken away from the luxury experience. What are your current thoughts on luxury? In my next video, I will do a pack with me because I'm going to Taiwan. What would you like to see me vlog? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having an awesome summer. Until next time, I wish you all perfect days.